Hello guys, and hope doing well. To be honest with you all, now is 2-3 months I'm looking for micro or Picco amp current monitor, easy circuit, and 2 days ago during the OP97 datasheet checking, I find this schematic, and now it is this project is in breadboard, and we are ready to test this project. The first thing that we should know is the main power supply is 15 volt, and you should make isolation between minus 15 volt and ground. So you need virtual ground, and it is very easy to design. Very good. To use the 15 volts, I use this step-up buck converter to convert 3 volts to 15 volts, and it is really stable and without any problem working pretty nice. Very good. For the other components is very easy, just 10k ohm resistor, and the load here should be something like 100 microamp maximum, because of this schematic is very good for the low current measurement. And the thing is, we should know this project will convert the current to the voltage. Very nice. When we don't have any load, the voltage is 7921, 0.7925. Very good. If you don't have 4 and 5 digit meter, the first 3 digits is more than enough for this measurement. And to test this project, I used one buzzer and one diode to check exactly the current. So the diode that I have today is not a normal diode. This is 7 color diode, and each color have his voltage or his current, and it is very nice to test the project, because of when the LED color is gonna be changed, the current measurement also will change with the meter. Very nice. So the 0.point is 7925. I'm going to test with the buzzer at first. Very good. Very nice. It is 1.9 the current usage for this buzzer. Very good. So we are going to test with the 7 color changing LED and check exactly the voltage. This current monitor is very stable, and when I'm checking the project with the 7 color LED, you will find out exactly what's going on.